Forgiveness means not keep anger, hatred, because of that particular negative action. Hmm? So, people, the concerned officials or concerned for the people, is complain, criticize. It's very right. And particularly the freedom of speech, freedom of expression. You see, you must criticize. But you see, once anger involved, then even your criticism also become biased. Without anger, without too much emotion, according to reality, criticize. That criticism is constructive criticism. So even religious or believer, I am Buddhist. I love Buddhism, but I should not develop attachment towards Buddhism. Once one great physicist, one scientist, at one meeting, he mentioned his physicist. His field is quantum physics. But he should not develop attachment towards his own scientific field. There I learned, I am Buddhist, I should not develop attachment towards my own religion. Then my mental attitude becomes biased. Once your mind becomes biased, you cannot see the reality about others. So here, once anger develops, your mind biased. So your criticism will not be a genuine one. So criticism. So without emotion, without anger, look at the reality objectively, then put criticism. It's very right. So that's the because of that differences. And I often see telling media people, wherever in America or in Asia and everywhere, I always telling the media people should have long nose, as long as elephant nose. Must smell everywhere, in front and also behind. So what is going on? Must study, must investigate thoroughly, then inform to public what is happening. Provided truthful, honest, objective, without sort of bias. That's very important. So in order to build healthy democratic society, and particularly during election, so you must investigate what is going on. And there are individuals also who record and inform people clearly, openly. That's very important, provided with honest. Like that.
Dalai Lama, Dalai Lama.